हेलो ऑल। मैं आज आपको एक न्यू प्रोडक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाला हूँ। इट्स कॉल्ड द यूवीसी डिसइंफेक्शन बैग. दिस इज brought to you by Jensen Lights. We are one of the leaders in lighting industry since 1975. So this bag is a unique bag that uses UVC technology to disinfect against all kind of microorganism. ये एक क्लॉथ बैग है. इसका साइज है 15 इंच विथ बाय 12 इंच एंड 8 इंच हाइट. कैपेसिटी टोटल इज अराउंड 25 लीटर्स. इसके अंदर आप कोई भी तरह की आइटम जैसे फूड आइटम्स, अपने मास्क आप सैनिटाइज कर सकते हैं टू रीयूज, वॉलेट्स, योर गॉगल्स, स्पेक्स, योर करेंसी and your any paper and your electronic items you can also sanitize. Then you can sanitize your jewelry, any kind of jewelry, your watches. All these you can sanitize easily without the use of any harmful chemicals. UVC is a eco-friendly technology. It does not harm the environment. और सबसे बड़ा इसका एडवांटेज है कि ये बहुत कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है, कोई भी रिकरिंग एक्सपेंस नहीं है. सो नाउ आई विल शो यू सम फीचर्स ऑफ द बैग. सो इट कम्स विद अ कॉर्ड दैट इज 1.7 meters and it's also having a switch for ease of operation. So you can turn on and off from the switch. When you turn on the light, you can see there is a peep hole over here and you can check safely whether the disinfection is happening or not. So this is how the bag looks like. It has a reflective, special reflective sheet lining inside for 360-degree sanitization. जिससे लाइट पूरा रिफ्लेक्ट होके मल्टीप्लाई होके it can disinfect all kind of items from all the sides. So it is using a very high quality zipper that we are using over here, and that will last quite a bit of time. It will not get spoiled easily. The bag is made of heavy cloth, heavy material, artificial material. We are using Philips brand UVC tube that is branded, and the fitting that we are using is of HPL that is made in India. So this fitting has a 1-year guarantee. Jensen Lights UVC bag is made in India and has a 1-year guarantee on all the parts except the tube that comes under consumables. Another good feature of the bag is it has a collapsible design. That is, you can fold the bag in a very small size, almost 1/10 of the size, and the weight is only 1 kg. So it is extremely good in option as portable UVC bag. You can travel with it, you can pack in your luggage, and you can easily use it on the way in your picnic. So this is another good feature of this bag. It comes with a handle on the top, sturdy handle that makes it easy to carry and use the bag. So this product is multi-purpose product. What you can do, you can take out the tube from the bag and you can use it to disinfect the rooms or your cabinets or whatever you want to disinfect from outside this bag. So this is a multi-purpose product. You can use a tube to disinfect your other areas. So UVC is a very old technology, more than 100 years of old, and it has been used in a lot of hospitals and a lot of areas. It has been certified by top of the organization like CDC, like Center of Disease Control in America, or FDA, and it is certified by Indian Medical Association also for disinfection, and it is proven that it kills all kind of microorganisms, and it gives a 99.9% efficiency against disinfection of all kind of microorganisms. It can even kill a lot of other small living pests in your house like flies, mosquitoes, spiders, termites, bed bugs.
And obviously, it goes without saying that it is highly effective against current COVID-19 virus, and it will disinfect the virus in 4 to 5 minutes very easily. And it has been proven earlier on other coronavirus like SARS and MERS. So many people have a query about does the UVC bag have any certification or not, or any lab testing or not. We are under the process of getting it tested from the lab for the satisfaction of the customer. Although we use a branded UVC tube, Philips tube in the bag, and Philips have all the certification for UVC being their tube being effective against all kind of microorganisms. Thus, and we are providing only enclosure for that tube, so we don't need any special certification for the bag. But still, we'll soon get it tested from a lab for the satisfaction of the customers. The common question among the customer: what can be sanitized in the bag and what cannot be sanitized?
You can disinfect any kind of item in this. All your food items, fresh fruits, vegetables, cooked food, uncooked food, raw food, कोई भी टाइप ऑफ सर्विसेज सरफेस लाइक आपका ज्वेलरी, सेंसिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, आपका पर्सेस, वॉलेट्स, एनी टाइप ऑफ जो भी आपका सॉफ्ट फर्निशिंग है, कोई आपका लग्जरी क्लोथिंग है, आप हर चीज़ को इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं डिसइंफेक्ट करने के लिए. किसी भी चीज़ को ये स्पॉइल नहीं करता.
But be careful, you cannot disinfect any living organism, any living being in the bag. That is, for example, like your pets. You cannot disinfect in this bag because UVC light is harmful for any living being. So be careful of that. And it also goes without saying, don't also try to disinfect any of your body parts in the bag. So another valid question is, what is the time period required for any item to disinfect in the bag? So actually, different viruses and different bacteria and different microorganism has a different reaction time. That is a different time and dosage that it needs of the UVC light to for it to be killed. But you can safely say for this small bag, within 15 minutes you can kill the toughest of the microorganism. So 5 to 15 minutes can be your ideal time that you require to disinfect any kind of item in the bag. One precaution you need to take while using the bag is that, as you know, the UVC rays are harmful for human eyes and skin. So before disinfection, make sure the light is off. You place your items in the bag, seal the bag completely, then only turn on the light. And when you want to open the bag, first switch off the light and then take out your objects. So this is the precaution that you have to take while using the bag. Thank you. You can shop this bag online on various platforms, or you can visit our website for more information about this bag. Thank you.